Good afternoon, esteemed judges, respected teachers, and my dear participant brothers and sisters. I, Chandan Kumar Chanara, standing here to express my thoughts in the against the topic corruption is a mindset. Not circumstantial. How would you say the corruption is not circumstantial? When an individual have economic hardship or desperation, he only does this for his betterment, or we can say to simply he wants to survive. It is always seen that it is arises due to the circumstances. So, and how could we say that corruption is not circumstantial when an individual have systematic pressure? Systematic pressure means when we see often corruption arises due to lack of due to poor regulation of an organization or a system. Then the individual in pressure or lack of alternatives or fear do corruption. Then how we say that corruption is only a mindset and not circumstantial? And another thing, when an individual is in cultural influences. Cultural influences means when he goes to a culture where corruption is normalized. Corruption is normalized, and he don't think to change the corruption, but adopts the corruption. Then, due to social pressure or some other reasons,